In this video, I'll be showing you how to download apps on PC and laptop. Start by going to the taskbar and open the Start menu. Search for Store, then open the Microsoft Store. Now you can use the options on the side to sort the apps by their categories. Once you select one, you will see various subcategories. For example, the gaming category has best-selling games and best free games. If you have the Xbox Game Pass, then be sure to go to the Gaming tab to see what games are available. Alternatively, select the search box at the top. Here you can enter in the app name you're looking for or a category such as movies, then hit enter. Scroll through and select the app that you want, then the information page will load. Click the Get button and the app will begin to verify and download to your PC. Once the download has finished, you can choose to open the app through the Microsoft Store or open the Start menu and search for the app. Here you can pin the app to the Start menu or the taskbar to make it easier to open. You now know how to download apps on PC and laptop. Consider leaving a like if you found the video helpful.